This year there will be a team from Shimano at all big races to support the professional cycling teams. The Omloop Nieuwsblad will be the first race where Shimano support is helping, but earlier this year they were already present in Mallorca to support the teams during their training camps. One of those teams is Team Leopard track, where Shimano Race TV took a look during their preparation before the training. Here you see Shimano mechanic Magnus Hetval working on a time trial bike. Magnus, can you tell what you are doing?
I'm trying to adjust the rear dropout because it's actually a little bit bent. So that's why the RD is not working properly. So that's actually what I'm trying to do now. The dropout is quite soft, so it's difficult to get it in the right position.
Yeah.
I have the special tool for, but the dropout is, you bend it and then it's turning a little bit back again. So the material is quite soft, so it's difficult to get it really straight.
So that's why you're supporting the technicians now?
Yeah, because they couldn't get the gears right, so that's why we are trying to help them out.
And while Magnus is advising the mechanics, we are also going to have a look inside the basement of the hotel, because that's where all the bikes of the team can be found. A place that is also convenient for the riders and mechanics, because they are able to work undisturbed.